Okay, so we're in, see if I can find the name of it. But this is a mall by the largest university in Thailand. So this is kind of a new mall. There's a Taco Bell right there. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Right there. So this Taco Bell has, I don't know, it's relatively new as well. There's a Tim Hortons down there, a Canadian one. And this is where all the university students come. And it's also a new train station too. So Bangkok just keeps exploding with more and more things all the time. So let's just kind of show you a little bit of the mall. There's 3 or 4 stories. I also have some other stuff with this particular mall from December, a month ago. So you might see more. If you're wondering why there's people with masks on, it's because I'm sure this video will be dated later, but it's the coronavirus time period in world history. So a lot of people have masks on. Tim Hortons is really large and popular. Wow, look at that. I didn't realize that was that popular. Let's see. Oh, it's really popular. Oh, it's mostly donuts. Donuts and coffee and sandwiches. Panini, okay. I always thought Tim Hortons was more of a burger joint, but maybe it is too. Okay, so let's just see what else we can see in here. So we're in Bangkok, and this is one of many, many malls. So let's kind of take a look down here. Tim Hortons, oh yep, coffee and donuts. So yeah, you got all this stuff down there too. And you have all that stuff as well. So yeah, there's a lot. Well, you get a feel for it. There's actually some more restaurants through this door. So this is just kind of a taste of it again. If I remember, I will try to have this with another video of this mall at the end, so you can take a look at that as well. And we'll conclude it for this one. I better do a part 2 of this one. So there's also a Swenson's in there and a Kentucky Fried Chicken. So this is the air conditioning side, and then on this side it's the outside. So this is actually goes right outside, so you basically have the same weather as whatever's outside. And they'll have some performances here. If you catch my video at the end, hopefully I connected, but last time I was here, there was some famous celebrity here, Thai celebrity, so it's a bunch of college girls that were here, all excited and taking pictures and yelling and screaming, and it was pretty good filming. It's finger looking good. So, okay. Okay, I'll come out and I'll just capture this before we go. So here's our neighborhood right here. Here's our mall. Samyan Mitrtown. And actually this is kind of funny because like this was a while ago, there was about 20-30 people in here with all black and white. So I was like, oh, that was a really strange coincidence, and I wanted to capture that. By the time I got out here, it was already finished. Their event was done. Good to see. I guess I have to go around. Maybe I'll still go around and take a look. Anyways, we'll conclude here. So yeah, this one is there's a MRT right here too, and a big mall, and another slice of Bangkok for you. And a part 3, because this is Big C. There's a big supermarket, the basement of the and the MRT fits in right here too. And there's a bunch of pretty tasty looking, I guess you call it street food stuff. Just and a little market down here and all kinds of cool stuff too. So you can't really not include this in this video about this mall. Oh, there you go. And tons of stuff all the way down, all the way back here. Let's see. Popular too. Okay, so now you maybe have a better view. Just down here. So, okay. Oh, Japanese. Korean. Crispy chicken. Okay. I guess I have to film this, right? Red Talk. Alright, so this goes right into the MRT or MTR. And we're gonna take that. This is the MRT. Oh, I just have to go through this. And there we go, there's the entrance. So we can food here.
Toma cuidado la